Thrombosis. Process of formation of a solid mass in the circulating blood from the constituents of flowing blood. The solid mass formed is called as thrombus. Then etiology. It occurs due to Virchow's trait. First one is injury to endothelium, change in the vessel's wall. Second one is turbulence blood flow, change in blood flow. And third one is hypercoagulability of blood, change in blood itself. Virchow's trait. It is a figure of Virchow's trait. Endothelial injury. Physical endothelial injury. Formation of thrombus in the heart or arterial circulation. Causes. First one, heart, due to various heart diseases, and arteries due to atherosclerotic plaque. Alteration in blood flow. Normally blood flows in laminar pattern, in which platelets and other blood elements flows centrally. It is a figure of normal blood flow in the vessels, but turbulence blood flow, disparate movement of blood, causes thrombus in circulation. It is a turbulence in blood flow. Hypercoagulability of blood. It is also called as thrombophilia. It is tendency to develop thromboembolism. Causes. Primary or genetic cause and secondary or acquired cause. First one is primary or genetic cause. Decrease in antithrombotic or anticoagulant factor and increased prothrombotic factor. Secondary or acquired cause. Prolonged bed rest or immobilization, myocardial infarction, tissue injury and cancer, etc. Site and types. First one is heart, cardiac thrombi and valves or vegetations. Second one is blood vessels, arterial thrombi and venous thrombi. Appearance of thrombus. Grossly and macroscopically, thrombi shows alteration, light and dark band called as lines of Zahan. It is gross appearance of thrombus and it is microscopic. Fate of thrombus. First is dissolution or lysis. Second is propagation of thrombus. It is process in which thrombi may grow and increase in size. Embolization. Thrombi may convert into emboli. Fourth one is organization, recanalization, and last one is myotic aneurysm. Thank you.